You're gay. Get the fuck off.
Are you recording?
Yes.
Oh. Why are you trying to hang on to me? I look so fucking retarded.
Come on, dude.
Look at my fucking face. It looks so weird on this thing. Look at it.
Come on.
I'm making a riot shield.
We should troll people. Go. 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 Zombies are coming.
You think we'll be able to survive from in here?
Yeah.
Are you sure? You might tip it over.
They?
The zombie.
Don't play with it.
It's Miami, guys. Oh, people don't read this.
Exactly, that's why I'm closing the window.
What if people look at us and start masturbating?
They would do that, wouldn't they? Ha 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 ha.
I broke my leg.
You did?
Yeah. Ow. Ow.
Dumbass.
Come on, let's go.
Hold on. Damn. Damn. I'm different. Yeah, I'm different. What?
I don't think so.
You don't think so? What?
Yeah.
Huh.
I'm just gonna breathe off for this.
What the hell are you looking at me for?
Ready?
You. What the fuck? I just noticed that on the camera.
Look at the camera. No, look at the camera.
Fat ass.
I like fat on camera. It's weird.
Team deathmatch.
Ready to get some ass kicking?
Wait, which one am I?
Ready to get some ass kicking? Look at my gun.
Do
Looks
whatever you need to ensure
faggotish.
success.
Dude, we have teammates.
I know.
Dude, they have a riot shield.
First blood.
Dude, look at this. Dude, I'm floating. Whoa. Cause I'm different. Oh shit. Let's go, nigga. Bam. Wow. Dude, what the hell? Wait, you're on a different team?
Yeah? Stupid.